Incorporating modular wardrobe accessories will bring numerous benefits to the organization and functionality of your wardrobe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the video. Modular accessories help you optimize your space utilization, allowing you to make most of the available space in your wardrobe. They offer flexibility and customization, enabling you to personalize the layout according to your specific storage need and preference. In this video, I'm gonna share 8 accessories that you should consider while designing your wardrobe. So first one is wardrobe lift. It's an alternative of traditional hanging rod. Best part about this lift is they can be lowered and locked in a position to keep or remove your clothes, and is available in motorized as well as in manual system. Second is accessory tray. It makes convenient for you to access and use them on daily basis. Instead of searching through multiple storage containers, you can simply open the tray and select the items you want to wear. It provides designated compartments for different types of items, from rings, earrings to watches and sunglasses. Having dedicated space for each piece will make it easier for you to locate without going through multiple drawers and boxes. Next is this pull-out trouser sari rack. This provides dedicated hangers specifically designed to accommodate trousers and saris separately. This will help to keep your wardrobe neat and well organized, preventing garments from becoming wrinkled. With this simple pull-out mechanism, you can access your clothing items with ease. Instead of going through stack of clothes or struggling to reach items that are stored in back of your wardrobe, with this pull-out, you can simply slide out the rack and view and select the items you need. Fourth is pull-out iron board. It's a convenient solution for maintaining wrinkle-free clothing without sacrificing valuable storage space in your home. When not in use, you can conveniently tuck away and maximize your space efficiency. This allows you to quickly access ironing surface whenever needed. The board smoothly glides out from the concealed storage, ready to use immediately. This eliminates the hassle of setting up and taking down the traditional ironing board, saving you time and effort during ironing session. Despite their compact size, they provide you sturdy and stable base. Fifth is this pull-out mirror. It's elegant and minimalistic mirror that can be pulled out of wardrobe whenever needed and tucked away when not. By integrating this in your wardrobe, you can eliminate the need of separate dressing table or standalone mirror in your room. If you have small room, then you should definitely consider this adding in your wardrobe. Sixth is pull-out shoe rack. We all have footwear that we wear occasionally, and if you are someone who struggles finding place for them to store as your main shoe rack is always full, then you can consider installing this pull-out shoe rack in your wardrobe. It is a ready-to-use solution that can be effortlessly installed in any wardrobe. Next is this tie and belt holder. It keeps your ties and belts neatly organized and easily accessible with this dedicated holder. It helps you maximize your wardrobe space with the compact design of this holder. It efficiently uses your shutter space, freeing up your valuable shelf and drawer space for other essential things, while keeping your accessories neatly organized and within your reach. Best part about this holder is it's very easy to install. Eighth is built-in lighting. Say goodbye to dark and shadow spaces. Built-in lighting will ensure you have a proper visibility, allowing you to easily see and access your clothing, accessories and footwear, making it easy for you to find what you need, even in low light. These are sensor-based light, which means they will automatically start when you open the wardrobe, and it will also give your wardrobe that luxurious feel. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. These were 8 modular wardrobe accessories that you should consider incorporating in your wardrobe. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And don't forget to tell me which one of these accessories you are thinking of incorporating in your wardrobe. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in next one. Bye.